Hi, Michael Bradbury here from Syngenta, and I'm in the beautiful Hunter Valley with Craig Malloy, Course Superintendent at Cypress Lakes Resort. Hi Craig, how are you going?
Good, Michael, welcome.
Thanks mate. The New South Wales Golf Course Superintendents Association was presented with the Claude Crockford Award that year, and you were president of the association. What led the association and yourself to develop that project?
We needed to change culture, so we needed to be able to show the regulator that the Golf Course Superintendents Association and the industry were concerned about the environment, and we needed to have a protocol in place to provide a minimum standard for the industry. The covenant was designed to be a pilot program for the industry. New South Wales has over 400 golf clubs, and we chose 42 in total that worked together in the pilot program to develop protocols, training and education for the industry, and it was a way to move forward to meet the regulators' requirements.
I was wondering, can we have a look around Cypress and see what you've done here in the last 8 years?
Oh, absolutely, let's go for it.
So you've done some pretty major works here. What sort of projects or things are you most proud of?
Our effluent water project. When the resort is at 75% occupancy, we capture 200,000 litres of grey water which we reuse on the course. Not only does it save us with water usage, but it's reduced our carbon footprint, our power bills. So it's been a really good story that we do on the resort. In 2019, through the drought, we put a drought management program in place. We were able to reduce our potable water consumption by 18%.
Craig, these bunkers are amazing. Tell us a bit about the reconstruction.
So in 2017, we were able to rebuild all the bunkers on the property. We actually reduced the amount of sand from 1.6 hectares down to 0.8. So a significant reduction, but as you can see with the topography and the scale of the bunkers, they work really well.
So the course is looking as good as I've ever seen it, Craig. Can you tell us what you think is critical to maintain a course in this sort of condition?
Well, working at a resort course, it's all about getting the patronage around as quick as possible without any delay. So here at Cypress, we work on keeping a consistent surface all year round. The past 12 months, we actually use Provant and Spinner, and this year we didn't lose any turf. What
makes Cypress Lakes attractive or unique?
We have vistas across the valley of the Brokenwood Mountains. We have a large kangaroo population which the guests like to see hopping around. We're also in a very unique area where we're surrounded by vineyards. We have 2 Shiraz and a Merlot on property which we own and bottle. We also have a health retreat on the property, Alicia Wellness Retreat. We provide them with an organic garden. The chef designs his menu around what we grow and produce.
Well, what do you like as an organic gardener?
Well, it's been a challenge. It's a total new set of skills I've had to learn. We use tea brews to control insects. We use plants that detract insects and act as like a capture plant. One of our other organic controls for snails is eggshells. So we take the eggshells that they use in the kitchen and we crush them up and we sprinkle them across the garden beds, and when the snails, it just irritates the snail and they just don't go near the plant. So it's just a quite unique area, that a point of difference that other clubs in the area don't have.
What gave you the passion?
It started with golf, and then I quickly soon realised I wasn't good enough to make any money out of it. So the next best option I had was to get into the turf industry. It's an industry that I love. You know, you wouldn't get up at 4 o'clock every morning if you didn't love it. You know, it's a very unique opportunity to work here. It's a site that not only I like working here, but all the boys as well. And yeah, thanks once again for coming.
Thank you.